Hi, my name is Zach Bates. I'm a Senior Customer Success Manager here at YCharts. Today, I wanted to talk to you about how we can use our platform and several tools within it to look at historical financials for individual stocks. What you'll notice right away is that this major search bar at the top allows us to input a ticker and go straight to an individual stock's quote page. This quote page is a great place to go learn anything you'd like to know about an individual stock, mutual fund, ETF. For today, we're focusing on stocks though because of the financial aspects. Along the top, we're going to see this tab here that goes ahead and lets us drill down on individual types of data. So let's take a look at financials now. After I click financials, there are some sub tabs that allow us to focus on either the income statement, the balance sheet, or some cash flow. After I've selected which one I want to focus in on, I can also adjust the format for how often this data is displayed. In this case, it's defaulting to quarterly, so you're going to see the quarter end numbers for the previous quarters for all cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement data. However, I can very easily switch this to go ahead and display that data annually if I would like, and see the last data available rolled up in that format instead. Now let's say that we like the data here, but we want to go ahead and pare down to only view some specific information, or we want to do some side-by-side analysis of a couple of companies. That is a great use case for our next tool, which is our time series analysis, which can be found by going to Tools and Time Series Analysis. I've already got a page loaded up here to take a look at. So by default, what I've done is I've set up Microsoft here to take a look at some income statement items that I used this browse feature for, to go ahead and here find my income statement category and handpick the data points that I wanted to have included on the time series. Once you get that set up, you're able to add individual securities. So in this case, I'll go ahead and throw Apple on here as well. And what it's going to do is then do a side-by-side comparison. So we have all of the information here now on a quarterly basis for Apple. As I scroll down, you're going to now see that that information is then displayed for Microsoft as well. So that makes it very easy to reference back and forth between the two, see how they're performing quarter over quarter compared to their own history, as well as other key competitors in the market space. We have other ways that you can manipulate the data at this point in time. For example, summary stats is a great way to go ahead and see what the maximum and minimum numbers are, especially when you're doing a comparison between two companies. It allows you to get all of this data then aggregated together to see the top and bottom numbers available to us. We can also, of course, calculate averages and medians. So if you have a large list of holdings you wanted to have in here, you could do that, including using this list browser, which would allow us to go ahead and load up things like the entire S&P 500. If I hit submit now, it would be pulling in far too many data points. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that alone for the purpose of the video. But just know that you can easily go ahead and digest historical financial data for holdings of all of these common indices, as well as any previous watch lists, results from screeners you have as well. In some cases, the formatting is set up in such a way that you want to take this out and manipulate this in other formats, run your own custom calculations off of it, which can be done using our Excel templates. If I go ahead and drag this over here, we do have a balance sheet financial statements section here in our Excel templates. So all you need to do is have our YCharts tab installed, get that, and that comes with any pro access of the tool. And all the data will flow through here with the necessary information as well. So all I could do here, if I wanted to change to another company, simply input a new stock, and it's going to give me now all that data instantly for this different time period. Hope you enjoyed my video. Just wanted to quickly show you different ways that we could use YCharts to get some nice financial history. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.